Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV.
ICFA University Migalia is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Migalia.
Usambot mindirang ba ka jela obakmi ikatanat kampo iyeng ba preston tensong haka artrek unaitung arjar arpusan ulong ba omdal menuru balaban Shim yakaan hakakti. Kini jing tho jong usambot mindirang ba kalong hadin shisngi ba kaseng king atiar nyotrap National Liberation Council Jingbyrngem Trai jong economic pharmacy ba dawa bu de Mano nakani jela hadin bu labe yakinong di madan bekim don hok banshong di jingdi hakmat kedukan jong u.
I don't know, but the door is still open. I keep saying this. I think 100 times I've already told you that the door is still open. If they want to talk, we are ready for talk. As I said to you, the door is open from outside. It is up to them whether the door is open or not, or whether the window is open or not. It is up to them to decide. If they want to contact us, we are ready. I mean, our phone is always open. See, I'm sure other members will also realize one day that the career of themselves is ending nowhere, is leading nowhere. For example, like these two boys who surrendered themselves, they joined back the midstream. So I would appeal all other members also to kindly follow the footsteps of those two boys who recently surrendered. That I have nothing to say. I can't say anything, I cannot comment anything. But of course our police force are very much alert about all this. Threat for what?
Pass some comments, so they are saying to get out of that.
See, I'm telling you, it is not that we wanted to victimize the hawkers. In fact, this is done for their own good. And can you imagine? I think our spokesperson, Mr. Polangdo, yesterday he must have already explained to all of you. You will not find the government who really thinking seriously about the interests of the hawkers. See, like shifting allowance. We decided to give them 10,000 rupees, and plus, once they shifted to that designated place, again, initially for 5 months, 2,000 per month will be paid to the concerned registered COVs. Well, I think nobody can take the law in their own hand and let the law prevails. And whether it's Hnlc or anybody who just give that kind of threat, government is there to protect. If there is any kind of collection of fund of money illegally by any group of people, by any individual, law again will take action accordingly. We have to.
But since a lot of demand notes, lot of extortion notes has come forward in various viral...
No, that has been done. That's what I'm telling. Whatever we receive, once the letter, the demand note or whatever, if the concerned individual send it to us, then action will be taken accordingly. But the problem is sometimes even those people who receive such letter or such demand, they never complain, they never inform the government machinery. So I would request all the concerned, in case if they receive any kind of demand note from anywhere, please come forward, inform the government, and action will be taken accordingly.
Will there be any summative action in this regard?
Yes, it is. That is the ongoing process. We are doing it. Okay, thank you.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.